Is the one? Half?
No,
Yeah, dig for the other half. You caught it.
pass it a little bit, you can walk.
Yes.
Material.
There's a proverb that says, every day is a fishing day, but not every day is a catching day. This day, we almost didn't catch anything. We couldn't find any bait. So, first tip, walk with your bait if you want to have an easy day.
Come bait with it.
I bought a fishing kit from one of the Chinese stores for 4,500 Guyanese dollars. Came with a rod and a couple other things. It also came with some plastic bait, so we decided to try that. We only had one rod at this point, and I wasn't gonna stand around and watch this guy try to catch a fish, so I got some shots of the surrounding area. That might be the best spot though. I gotta go over there. I'm gonna see if we get bait over here though.
Is the one? Half?
No,
Yeah, dig for the other half. You caught it.
pass it a little bit, you can walk.
Yes.
Material.
So the guys I was with mentioned that they had a farm not too far from where we were fishing, and we might probably get fishes in there, so we left and we headed down the trail to their place. Which brings me to tip number 2. If your fishing spot is not working out for you, maybe try another one.
Hello.
These guys told me that the fishing area is not too far in. Boy, this was like a 15-minute walk.
From here is Milan.
Out here.
As soon as we got there, this happened. So tip number 3, make sure you have some kind of shelter or even umbrellas or something, because you could never predict the weather. If you're Guyanese, you already know what this is. The rain knocked a couple of fresh ones off the tree, so I picked a couple up. Back to some fishy business. So here I'm walking to the fishing spot they described. They told me that it has some fish in here. So I'm just looking and exploring and seeing where's the best spot to drop my hook.
Whoa, good one. One more. Yay!
That's my boy. Clean up.
See, sir.
Sun coming out. Was
Sunfish.
Take quick one a day to clean up nice and all. Yeah, thank you, Mom.
Well, I had enough spectating. So 3 of us with one rod wasn't gonna cut it, so we decided to make 2 rods from these very, very straight little plants that we saw. I'll call you Rodman. Rodman.
My Raddy.
Roddy.
Don't you see that?
And put it back in the pack. For next time. Rod's finally made. Got some bait on there. Here looking for the perfect spot. Let's get some fish. It didn't take too long after that to catch a fish.
That is it. First man for strike up top. That's what you want.
We caught a few more not too long after and decided to that's enough, so we went to get them cleaned and prepared to cook. Fire going, fish ready, time for seasoning.
How you take on you?
Alright, you get the fire there. I don't know, we have a little fish them there. Any man see
We ain't got a lot of seasoning, but we make it do with what we got.
It's so easy to give up on trips like these when you know you have a plan on catching fish and cooking and stuff and you're not pulling up anything. You got two options. You can give up early and go home, or you can try to make the best of your day, because even if we didn't catch any fishes that day, we had so much fun. If you got this far in the video, it only means that you enjoyed my content, and I would appreciate it if you subscribed. I'm gonna try to put out more content like this. Over 90% of my viewers are not subscribed.
Yeah.
You mix up your one.
Yeah.
Bring up yourself.
Mix up your squad and fucking shit look decent. You got a back rice there?
Mm-hmm.
Make it rain feet all the rice,
Me
man.
want no more rice. I'm good.
And if you were wondering, yes, this tastes as good as it looks. It was really good.